Okay, it's Monday, so we're getting ready to finish this hat off. I've been using a 5mm, 5.5mm to put it all together, but for the part that goes around your forehead, I'm going to go to a 4.5mm hook. And I've still got my gold trimmed yarn. I'm gonna do my slip stitch. My slip knot, and I'm gonna go in that first little corner there and pull that up, and then pull through two. That would be our first single crochet, and we're gonna single crochet all the way around. You just go all the way around, and every stitch, you can see your stitches there, the V stitches. Go all the way around and just do a single crochet, and I'll be back when I get to this right here. Okay, we're getting close to this, so we're gonna single crochet in that stitch, single crochet in this corner, then we're gonna find that first stitch there and single crochet into that to kind of even it out. And then you just continue doing that all the way around. And just continue this, and when we come back, we will be learning a new stitch, the front post and back post double crochet. So continue with this single crochet all the way around, and remember to go in the first stitch of all of these, and I'll be back. I've made it all the way around. I'm going to go into that chain space and go into this last little bar and slip stitch into that first single crochet we made. And this next round, we're going to chain two, and it does not count as a double crochet. And now we're going to double crochet in every stitch around. Yarn over, go through the loop, pull up, run yarn over, go through two, yarn over, go through two. Repeat that all the way around. Just keep going all the way around until you get back to your first double crochet, and I'll be back. I'm at the last few stitches of this round. I'm just gonna finish them with you. Just double crochet these last few stitches. And then your first V, your first double crochet, slip stitch into that. And that's what that round looks like now. For the front post, back post double crochet, we're going to chain two. That does not count as a stitch. And this first post, we're not going in the V's this time. We're going back in the front and in behind these posts. So for that first post right there, you're gonna yarn over and go behind it, come back to the front. You see that? Take your hook behind and back to the front. Then yarn over, pull it through, and do your double crochet. In the next one, I'm gonna yarn over, go to the back and push it back crochet. The next one, going through the front post, push it to the front. The next one, going behind it, and take your hook to the back, pull up that loop, double crochet. And this is what we're going to continue on until the end. Front post, back post, front post, back post. Front post, you go behind this stitch and do your double crochet. Back post, you come across the front of the stitch and do your double crochet. Push it to the front for your front post. Push it to the back for your back post. And you're going to continue that all the way around, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm almost done with this round. Front post, back post, and your first double crochet right here where that V is. You can see the V. We're going to go under there and do our step stitch. Then we're going to chain one, fasten off, leave a little tail on there so you can sew that end in. And we are finished with the hat. Just need to sew the tails in. If you want to add a little single crochet trim around it, the color of one of your blocks, you can do that, or you can leave it just like this. This is how it looks on the American's head. You need to sew the ends in it, but this is your finished product. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. I hope you get all the steps. We have 5 videos, starting with the circle, then adding it, making it in a square, joining it together, adding the top part, and then this one, adding the ribbon around the forehead. Thank y'all for joining me. Y'all have a great day, and keep crocheting, keep practicing. Don't ever give up. If it's what you want to do, keep going. Have a great day.